I don't want my competitor to know about Hysterico. See, it's always difficult to sign up on different LLM, go through their onboarding process, see their interface, understand how they work, how they perform, and giving prompt each time on every platform. And after prompt is one thing, then improvising that prompt, right? So it's like you need to spend 5, 10, 20 minutes to get a right outcome from one AI, one LLM. So if I do from 3 or 4, it's like 15 into 4, like 1 hour to get one outcome. And that's one thing, but more than that is like having access of all of them at one sign up at one prompt. That's like super time savior and allowing you to choose whatever you like. When I purchased, I given a try and I loved it at first glance because of this feature. I was so excited when I saw all these 4 LLMs together. Like I was like, wow, like this is super easier. I introduce it to my team. Give so because we are a small team, at that time team feature was not there. And I'm not sure it is till today or not. But then I shared my access to my teammates. I said, hey guys, try this for cold outreach. This is amazing because you can try multiple language, multiple cold outreach approach with different LLM. Right, the way of writing is different. Script writing has always remained a challenge for us because in order to write a nice script, you need to understand a business ins and out overall, competitors, and like you need to do a lot of work in order to get the right script. So we have built one of our small product for script writing, and I am putting the API key into that product, which I'm going to do maybe in a day or two, and I'm going to make this product even public and see the reaction of the audience. I use Sterico just to give input, my draft script, and then refine it further. And again, because of all 4 LLM, 4 option, I can try uh, which is good, which is not good. Because sometimes not LLM understand the whole requirement properly. But from YouTube SEO, let me tell you, I must have received multiple, 10 time of ROI. Two things which surprised me. Number one, all like multiple LLMs allowing me to choose, which one I would like to use. And in front of that, you mention how many coins it will take. So transparent, so easy, very good. Number two feature which made me very much excited, that open API key. So the intention, it seems like, of Hysterico not to make a product with the hope that hey, lifetime deal user may not use it. I don't want my competitor to know about Hysterico. Okay, jokes apart, I would say it's definitely great product, easy to use, super duper affordable compared to what you are going to pay if you are going to try multiple LLMs, uh, and a fantastic team. What else you can ask for, right?